Hey everybody, Lombardi25 here. Doing a little New Year's Eve break before the festivities actually begin, aka the drinking. So yeah, I just got my first basketball of the year, 2013-14 Prizm. See how this goes. I was already in a group break for with this stuff. Prizm break, the base of the Prizm aren't really anything to get excited about. I don't like the look again, but the inserts, the prisms, and the autographs are obviously what you're looking for. So, oh, I had the box the wrong way. A lot of veterans in this too. I think I had the Celtics in that group break, and I got a Robert Parrish auto, which was kind of cool. Since my PC home team, whatever. So that's the base. Rookie card of Jamal Franklin, and is that an auto? Yep. Glenn Rice Jr. It's my first auto, first pack. So, all right. And that's a sticker auto, right? And Mason Plumlee is my HRX paper card, whatever you want to call it. Shane Larkin rookie card, Isaiah Thomas veteran, and Isaiah Cannon HRX rookie. Ray McCollum rookie card, another veteran base. I won't go over all those. And Ricky Ledoux HRX. No prisms or anything yet. Tony Snell, rookie card. Tim Hardaway Jr., HRX. Not the most exciting box thus far. LeBron. Carrick Felix. A Larry Bird, and a Bismarck Biyombo Prism Refractor, whatever you want to call them. And then a Cody Zeller HRX. See another Prism back there. Glenn Rice Jr. rookie card, just got his auto a little while ago, and an Elgin Baylor Hall monitors. Those are those nice insert set, one of the many, or few, I mean, whatever. And Contavious Caldwell Pope, HRX. Never heard of him. Not up to par with all this year's rookie class, but Otto Porter rookie card, and Nerlens Noel. Another Prism coming up. Peyton Siva rookie card. And a Stephen Curry Prism. That's nice. CJ McCollum HRX. Should have one more auto somewhere in here. Maybe a gold, doubt it, but who knows. Ben McLemore rookie card. Oops. And Eric Murphy HRX. Keep cutting off the cards. A Tony Parker Brilliance, and Shane Larkin HRX. Did I get a rookie in that one? I don't think so. Gorgio Ding and a Dominance of Blake Griffin. and no HRX. Alan Kreb rookie card, and a nice one, Kyrie Irving Prizm. That's nice. And a Kelly Olynyk, the Celtics. HRX. Victor Oladipo rookie card, and Glenn Rice Jr. HRX. Oh, Jesus Christ. Giannis Antetokounmpo, whatever, Bo, rookie card. And my second auto is an Iman Shumpert. Alright. And Anthony Bennett HRX. Not the most impressive auto. And there's no rookie card, a Prizm of Tony Roten, and a Michael Carter Williams HRX. I know he started off the season pretty hot. So autos are probably done, just maybe and a couple other Prizms or chasing a gold out of the last 3 packs. Steven Adams rookie card and an Otto Porter HRX. Did I get any rookies? Nope. Just an HRX as Shabazz Mohammed. Alright. Michael Carter Williams rookie card. Alright. And a Hall Monitors of Bill Russell. And Ryan Kelly HRX. Postseason, Andre Drummond and Archie Goodwin HRX. Last pack. Ryan Kelly rookie card and HRX of Ben McLemore. So, about it. Not the best box, but definitely not the worst. Have a happy new year, everybody. Be safe. See ya.